If you feel broke right now, it's not because you don't make enough money. It's because you don't have a system. And today, I'll show you a proven system anyone can follow. Step 1. Know where your money goes. The first thing every financial expert agrees on: track your money. Most people don't know where their money goes, and that's the problem. Action. Write down every expense for 30 days. Use notes, Excel, or an app. Why this works: you can't fix what you don't measure. Step 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Now organize your money like this: 50% needs, rent, food; 30% wants, 20% saving plus investing. This is one of the most recommended budgeting systems. Why it works: simple, easy to follow, balanced, not too restrictive. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Before you spend anything, save money first. This is how wealthy people think. Action. Automatically save 10 to 20% of income. Why it works: removes temptation, builds wealth automatically. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. 1 stocks to 120. You need a safety net. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses. Why this matters: prevents debt, protects you during crisis. Step 5. Cut useless expenses. 120 to 140. Look at your spending. Cut subscriptions, impulse buying, daily small expenses. Small cuts equals big results over time. Step 6. Kill high-interest debt. 140 to 2 unclog. Debt is what keeps people poor. Focus on credit cards first. High-interest loans. Use snowball or avalanche method. Step 7. Start investing. 2 o'clocks to 225. Once stable, start investing early. Why? Compound interest equals exponential growth. Start simple. Index funds, ETFs. Final lesson. Here's the truth. It's not about making more money. It's about managing money correctly. Even people with average income build wealth if they follow a system.